Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we will learn about TypeScript. What is meant by TypeScript? Guys, if you are able to my screen. Guys, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you are finding my sessions are interesting. So here we will discuss more about manual automation testing, Playwright, Cypress, JavaScript, TypeScript, API testing. So some more sessions are coming and these are interesting. So if you find my sessions are helpful, interesting, please subscribe my channel. And we will see what is meant by TypeScript, right? So how TypeScript is defined? So TypeScript, normally TypeScript is, this everyone says, right? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript, it is a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. Means means all valid JavaScript code is also a valid TypeScript code. TypeScript code, right? So we are seeing what is meant by TypeScript. Is also a valid TypeScript code. And TypeScript, so definition of the TypeScript is nothing but definition. TypeScript is an open source strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript by adding static types, interfaces, enums, and code quality. So everything. So JavaScript, TypeScript is nothing but a open source, strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript by adding static types, interfaces, enums, and improving improved code quality. And here also, so TypeScript, no, this is a TypeScript. TypeScript is also a object oriented programming language supports classes, interfaces, inheritance, enums. Okay. So TypeScript is vast and strongly recommended programming language. Okay. This is nothing but JavaScript definition. Okay. And so why we discussed, right? TypeScript is having extra features. Already we discussed here. So what are the extra features? Static types, enums, interfaces. Script adds extra adds extra features. Okay. Enums. It is powerful tooling on top of JavaScript. TypeScript is a powerful tooling. TypeScript is a powerful tooling on top of JavaScript. JavaScript. Okay. Now, so simple way, what I can say, right? Here I will say TypeScript equal to TypeScript equal to JavaScript script plus. So types. So typing or types plus better coding experience than JavaScript, right? Better coding experience. This is nothing but TypeScript, right? TypeScript. So one more thing is TypeScript finds 15% common errors. TypeScript, TypeScript finds 15% common errors before running the program. So that is the advantage before running the program, right? So TypeScript is becoming must a skill for. So TypeScript TypeScript is becoming must must a skill for automation testers and SDETs. SDETs when working with modern frameworks, modern frameworks like Playwright, Cypress, etc. Okay. So this is how the see JavaScript le- so helps you to write the tests, but TypeScript helps you to write better, safer, and cleaner tests. So that is very important, right? So already we discussed, right? See TypeScript architecture, right? How TypeScript architecture is, right? TypeScript architecture, TypeScript architecture. Normally, see TypeScript architecture. Here TypeScript code, TypeScript, TypeScript code, TypeScript code. It will be in .ts, right? .ts file. Now here TypeScript compiler, TypeScript compiler. It will be TSC, TSC, type checking, type checking, type checking means finding errors, finding errors. Now it will convert into JS code, JavaScript, JavaScript code .js, and here so browser, so for so browser here it is Node.js, Node.js. Okay, the architecture, right? Type checking. Okay, yeah. So here I'll explain you the suppose now I'm creating one test case, basic program only. I'm creating one more test case and also just create new hmm, TypeScript architecture I'm explained it. TypeScript architecture and dot ts. Okay. Suppose what I'm doing function. I'm adding add numbers, add numbers. Suppose add, okay, we will go with this one only. Add x number, y number. Can you see here? Return x plus y. Okay. So this is my function, right? Here we are noticing, right? Oh, this one, we are noticing this one, right? And this one is number. Okay. These are type annotations. So it is mandatory. So when you use type annotations, right? So it is very rich in looking the automation script or any script. So if you are sometimes no based on this mm, let constant and where variable declaration type, so we are going to see some type of issues. So we can ignore that kind of issues by using type annotations. So that is why TypeScript, when you are using TypeScript, so you can go with type annotations. So you are telling TypeScript that what kind of data to expect. Say now, so if we are telling TypeScript no, what kind of data it has to expect. So x is the variable. It has to pass only the number. Y is the number. So you can't pass the string. So here only it will throw an error. But JavaScript don't have this kind of facility. So TypeScript has. So here type annotations, no, here we are telling to TypeScript what kind of data to expect. Now TypeScript compiler. Okay. TypeScript compiler. Add. Just you have to use dot file name, right? You are using TypeScript. So what you will do, you need to add, okay, what I'll do, 5 comma 10. So I'm calling the function now. So go to TypeScript compiler, DSC, just get this file name. So now in our architecture file, right, we have completed TS code now. So we are executing TypeScript compiler to TypeScript compiler, right? .ts file TypeScript compiler we are executing. Now if I enter, so what happened? It created the JS file. JS file. Now it created JS file means TypeScript file got compiled successfully, right? Now we need to run the JS code. We need to run the TypeScript error. We need to run the JS code. So type checking we will see in next step. JS code we are running. Node JS file. Okay, we are doing return, right? And just type console.log here. Okay. Instead of that one, use console.log. Console.log x plus y. Okay. So we are returning the file. Okay. Now I'm using like this. Yeah, here. So first I am running that TS file, right? Got executed successfully. Then I am trying to, yeah, can you see? Now I got it. Okay, the sum is 15, right? The sum is 15. This is a positive case. Suppose now what I am doing, right? The same way. Here instead of number, here now we are checking this scenario where, so first we are executing the TS compiler. We have ready with the TypeScript code. And the TypeScript compiler TS we are running. Type checking, finding errors. So how to check that means? See here, X is accepting number, right? So I have provided the number here. This is correct. Suppose what I am doing, right? If I am giving instead of 5, okay, K, I am giving K. Okay. Now instead of 5, what I am doing, right? I am giving name, hmm, TypeScript. Okay, I am giving name TypeScript. See, can you see here? Argument of type string is not assignable to parameter type number. Can you see here? Now try to compile it. See, here it is giving directly the message. So argument of type string. So what we have passed is string. So, but what is the uh, annotation type annotation is expecting? It's a number, but I have passed a string. So this feature is not available in the JavaScript. Still, it is an error. So during compilation only, during when you are writing the code only, so it will find the errors and it will throw us. You can check right here. I told right. Tools top TypeScript finds 15% common errors before running the program. So now we have created the TypeScript file. So I have created the TypeScript file and we have added the program, TS program, right? Next, I am doing TSC compiler. See, when I am doing using with the TSC compiler, so here only it is giving error during compilation. So it this argument, right? But in our function, it accepts number, but we are passing string. Even if you pass Boolean also, it will give an error. It accepts only string. So it accepts only string, only number. So that is what we are mentioning. So typing, we call this the type annotations. This plays a very important role. This plays a very important role, right? Here the magic step is type checking. The magic step is type checking. Whatever we gave here, right? The magic step is type checking. This is the magic step. So if we are giving the number here, then there is no issue because we denoted here type annotation is number and we are passing the number. We will get it now. We will get it and you can run the node directly. Sum is 30. But if you are giving against the number, either string or boolean, then it will be an issue. Okay, right? This is the key benefit. Type coding is the key benefit. And runtime browser and Node.js. No? So what is the use of? So this is the key point here. Type checking is the key point. This is the TypeScript architecture. Now, what is the browser and Node.js means? Whenever the JavaScript code runs, right? So for websites and web pages, it will go to the browser. So for backend servers, APIs and command line tools, no, the JavaScript runs on the Node.js environment, right? I hope you find this session is helpful. Please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.